How to add countdown widget on Android. So if you want to add the countdown widget on your Android, then first you just need to simply go with your home screen, tap and hold on to your home screen and go with the widget option. Under widget, you can scroll down and go with the calendar option. Under calendar, here you will have your widgets, right? So just simply tap on add widget. Once you've added the widget, now you just need to simply tap on the plus icon and then you can add birthday or festival or something like that. Once you've done, you just need to simply go with save, which is on the upper right. And once you've added an occasion, then you will have 51 days left or 2 days left or 3 days left, that kind of countdown on your Android. So in my Android, I don't have that option. But if you have your widget on your countdown, then you can simply add that widget on your Android and you can add your countdown. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.